Hello all, this is your English teacher Mrs. Shanti of KV Ashok Nagar. Today we are going to read a new story from class 10 English reader, Footprints Without Feet. The title of the story is The Making of a Scientist, written by Robert Peterson. Robert Peterson was a famous American newspaper writer who later became a freelance author of magazine articles. He wrote with authority, particularly on the topics of sports and scouting. He was born in 1925 in Pennsylvania in the USA and died of lung cancer on 11th February 2006. Before we go through the main points of the story, let me ask you a few questions. Have you heard of the phrase turning point? Discuss with your friends how certain incidents made a big difference in your life. Has your mother helped you to identify your strength? The Making of a Scientist is a story of a curious child who is channelizing his curiosity to become a scientist. Richard Ebright was very close to his mother, and she plays a key role in developing his interest in science. He began his journey by collecting butterflies. Let's see how his scientific thinking turned out to be successful. The story revolved Richard Ebright, Richard's mother, Dr. Urquhart, a scientist, James Wong, and Mr. Weyher. I hope you would have read the detailed story from the textbook. Now let us proceed to the main points of the story. At the age of 22, Richard Ebright excited the world of science with a new theory on cells. Richard's scientific career started with butterflies. Ebright collected butterflies when he was in kindergarten. His mother encouraged his interest in learning. She took him on trips and bought telescopes, microscopes, cameras, and other equipment. His father died at a very young age, and his mother became his only companion and motivator. By the time Richard Ebright was in the second grade, he had collected 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. His mother gifted him a children's book called The Travels of Monarch X. This incident, or the book, the turning point in his life. The book described how monarch butterflies migrated to Central America and opened the world of science for Richard Ebright. He sent tagged butterflies to Dr. Urquhart, the writer of the book. Ebright raised a flock of butterflies in his basement and would tag the butterflies' wings to send him to Dr. Urquhart. In the 7th grade, he entered the county science fair and lost. He wrote to Dr. Urquhart for new ideas and received many suggestions and experiments. The next year, his science fair project was to test the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarch butterflies. The project was placed first in the zoology division and third overall in county science fair. In his second year in the high school, Richard Ebright discovered an unknown insect hormone. He and his friend showed the tiny gold spots on butterflies produced a hormone that was necessary for the butterflies' full development. This project won Ebright first place in the county fair and an entry into International Science and Engineering Fair. He grew cells from a monarch butterfly's wing in a culture. Ebright was able to identify the hormone's chemical structure. He showed how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA and the blueprint for life. Richard Ebright graduated from Harvard with highest honors, second in his class of 1,516. Ebright had time for other interests too. He was a champion debater, a a good canoeist, and an expert photographer. Richard Ebright had great admiration for his social studies teacher, Richard Weyhier, who opened his mind to new ideas. Richard Ebright was competitive, but not in a bad sense. He wanted to be the best. The travels of Monarch X opened the world of science to him, and he never lost his scientific curiosity after that. The Making of a Scientist is the story of a scientist named Richard Ebright. It is an interesting study of how Ebright became a scientist. After the early death of her husband, Ebright was everything for his mother. He used to get top grades in schools. At a very early age, he was just in the second standard. He had already collected 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. The book, The Travels of Monarch X, gave him a thorough knowledge about the monarch butterflies. In the second year of his high school, Ebright began to search an unknown hormone in the gold spots of butterflies. In later years, he discovered how a cell could read the blueprint of its DNA. The chapter explores themes of scientific temperament, curiosity, and inventiveness. The values that we learn from the story are a firm determination, scientific inventiveness, continuous curiosity, a firm encouragement, and a never give up attitude. A few quotes have been compiled here for attempting the value-based questions, followed by short questions and long questions. But kindly refer to the Diksha app for NCERT exercises and other MCQ